Welcome back to the electric side of things. Today, we're going to fix the trigger in a DeWalt grinder. I've had a previous video about this. It was one of my first videos, but I didn't seem to finish it, so I'm going to finish this one. This is a trigger I pulled out of an old DeWalt grinder, which the motor was burnt out. This is the trigger here. So I'm going to swap this trigger for this trigger, which is broke. And you can come along for the ride. So I already took these screws out. It's just 1, 2, 3, 4 screws with a Phillips, and kind of pry it a little bit around the edges and it pops out. You open it up, this is what you see. So you got the power coming in here on the wire. And these are the brushes here. This is not that old. It looks kind of rough, but it's used every day. I did change the brushes before, but they look like they're kind of wore out. But to change the brushes, all you gotta do is move this little spring that's inside here, move it back, pop it off, and put the new brushes back in. But it has a little screw here. You see this little screw? This little plate comes off. You don't have to take the whole handle off. So just to change the brushes. So let's try to. Oh, there's a screw here. So screw here. It's holding it down. There you go. And pop this out without trying to break anything here. Out. So check it out here. Trigger goes like this. What else remember? Flathead here. So take these 4 screws off. Take them all the way off because they're thin. These 4 screws off. Remember which one goes where. We'll see that one goes to the front. There you go. I'll take this one off here. Just the 4 screws, you can see. Boom, 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 boom. That's what I was doing over here. Just pop these off as fast as I can here. That's why sometimes saving an old grinder or something, it's good for parts. At the same time, you get a lot of clutter in your shop, so it's kind of hard to save everything because if you do, you get a shop full of stuff that it's always in the way. When you need it, it's good to have it. I'll place this one with this one. I'll try to remember where all the stuff went. Make sure you don't cross thread them. Just take your time, make sure it goes in by hand, and then you tighten it up. The last thing you want to do is cross thread them. Sits in a little cavity. And you This one's nice because it has the flathead, and inside is that special screw driver, which I don't remember the name of. I should, but and sometimes they don't have the slot for the flathead. I find a lot of times people don't have the special screwdriver, so it's nice this one has two. So you screw back on together. I tested this before I put it all together to make sure it actually works. The trigger works. And just remember what came off where. Put it on the same way as you took it off. Just make sure it's unplugged off the wall. Make sure a capable person do this stuff. But, saves you spending money and buying a new one. Bring it back. Put the paper back in. This later, whatever they call it. Good enough. Okay, make sure that you don't squash the wires. There it is. Yeah. There you go, folks. She's in place. These little wires have a spot to go. Tuck them back inside. Tuck that back inside so it doesn't get away the screw. Slide this part over top. There you go. See, that is the locking pin. So when you push the trigger, it locks it in place. Okay. When you push it in, it unlocks. You didn't see this in the beginning of the video, but this is the 4 screws I was talking to you about. Did hope you like my channel. I like teaching people how to do things. And I figure what would be a better way to teach people and help people with making a YouTube video, a YouTube channel. So, if you guys like what you see, let me know. Any suggestions where I could do better things, let me know. Anything you want to see me fix, I'll see if I can do it. Any tools you'd like to see a review on, any electrical questions you have. And there you go. She's done. Let's see if she runs. Let me blow a fuse in her hole. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. You guys have a great day. Thank you. Bye.